How to set heading font weight in OxyMade Fluid Settings. Inside Base Design Set section, click on Fluid Text Settings. It opens the Fluid Settings slide. Here you can set the font weight for all heading classes from H1 to H6. Let's change it to 800. And to save the changes, click Save Typography Settings. Let's check it in the front end. Here all the headings are in 600 font weight. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, the font weight has been changed to 800. And framework font weight classes won't work on headings because we've assigned font weight in Fluid Settings, and most of the designers use the same font weight for all headings. But if you still want to add different font weights for some headings, then you can add it to Heading ID. Or if you want, you can also create a custom font weight class with important CSS rule to override Fluid Settings font weight. Then, if necessary, you can add that class to other headings. Thank you for watching.